The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Newcastle DE, beginning at 2:38 p.m. and ending at 7:10 a.m. The Wilmington Police Department has spotted 4 dead bodies in train station garage. Police are investigating the suspect's whereabouts. If you see the suspect in your area, dial 911. Remain tuned to the station or another station. Repeating, a law enforcement warning has been issued for Newcastle DE until 7:10 a.m.
This for the players out there, check out this dope shit, man.
Players another dollar, we getting paid. Another day, another dollar, living in the bay. Hustling for my baby, trying to plan my escape. I ain't staying in the matrix, really trying to get my papers.
This for the players.
Players another dollar, we getting paid. Another day, another dollar, living in the bay. Hustling for my baby, trying to plan my escape. I ain't staying in the matrix, really trying to get my papers.
The civil authorities have issued a blue alert for Bandicam at sea beginning at 6:35 p.m. and ending at 5:40 a.m. The Black Mountain Police Department is searching for a suspect that was last seen floating in the air leaving the Black Mountain area. Several dead bodies have been reported in densely populated areas. It is assumed that the suspect was responsible for the mass killings a few minutes ago. Police have given a description of the suspect. 6 feet tall, unknown age, unknown weight, wears a white pumpkin block, wears a dark purple shirt and pants, wears black gloves and boots, and is carrying an axe. If you have spotted a suspect in your area, dial 911. Do not approach the suspect. More information will come shortly.
Giving in.
The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Cumberland ME effective from 10:03 p.m. and ending at 7:10 a.m. The Cumberland County Sheriff's Office has spotted a suspect attacking and killing persons on site. It is now believed that this is the same suspect from Black Mountain, North Carolina. This individual was reported causing car accidents in the middle of the streets, and it is now believed that this individual has powers. The suspect appeared to be teleporting anywhere he wants to. Here is the suspect's description. This individual is wearing a white pumpkin block, a white male, 6 feet tall, unknown weight. Wears a dark purple shirt and pants, wearing black gloves and boots, and is holding an axe. This individual should not be approached as this individual is considered to be armed and dangerous. If you see the suspect in your area, dial 911.
A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. Oh, oh, oh.
Civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for New Rochelle, NY effective from 11:25 p.m. and ending at 7:20 a.m. tomorrow on Monday morning. The New Rochelle police officer has spotted an individual wearing a white pumpkin block attacking and killing in his sight. Police confirmed that this individual's power is growing stronger as he kills more people in his sight. This individual was also causing damage to cars and buildings using his powers. Do not approach the suspect as he is considered armed and dangerous. If you see the suspect in your area, dial 911. If you have any information regarding the suspect, contact the New Rochelle Police Department. The FBI is on the scene to try to capture the white pumpkin. Do not approach the suspect. Remain tuned to this station.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. A dangerous individual known for causing mass killings throughout other areas in a few states has been spotted attacking and killing people in downtown New York City. In addition, the local authorities have found this individual's name. This individual's name is the White Pumpkin. The pumpkin is a character from a game called Minecraft Story Mode. The White Pumpkin is standing 6 feet tall, a white male of unknown age, wearing a dark purple shirt and pants, wearing black gloves and boots, and carrying an axe. This individual should be considered dangerous as he is killing more people in his way and causing massive damage by using his powers. Police tried to take down the White Pumpkin, but have not been successful as he is fast to be caught. If you are in New York City, stay and remain indoors. If the White Pumpkin breaks into your home, use any firearm to defend yourself. Stay tuned for more updates on this event. Repeating, a law enforcement warning has been declared from New York, NY. Effective from 12:04 a.m. and ending at 7:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me.
The Toronto Police Service has spotted a dangerous person roaming around downtown Toronto attacking and killing civilians in his sight. This individual is also causing big damage to cars and structures using his powers and his psychic abilities. The individual's name is the White Pumpkin. He is a white male, of unknown age, and unknown weight, standing around 6 feet tall, wearing a dark purple shirt and pants, wearing a black gloves and boots, wearing white pumpkin block with his yellow eye dots, and carrying an axe. This person should be avoided as he is growing stronger. He kills more people and causes damage according to the United States Armed Forces. If you see the suspect in your area, dial 911. Monitor media news and outlets for more information.
Le service de police de Toronto a repéré une personne dangereuse errant dans le centre-ville de Toronto en train d'attaquer et de tuer des civils sous ses yeux. Cet individu cause également de gros dégâts aux voitures et aux structures en utilisant ses pouvoirs et ses capacités psychiques. Le nom de l'individu est The White Pumpkin. C'est un homme blanc, d'âge et de poids inconnus, mesurant environ 6 pieds de haut, vêtu d'une chemise et d'un pantalon violet foncé, portant des gants et des bottes noires, portant un bloc de citrouille blanc avec son jaune point oculaire et portant une hache. Cette personne doit être évitée car il devient plus fort. Il tue plus de personnes et cause des dommages selon les forces armées des États-Unis. Si vous voyez le suspect dans votre région, composez le 911. Surveillez les actualités et les médias pour plus d'informations.
Local authorities have spotted the white pumpkin roaming around Harrisburg, attacking and killing people in his sight. Several dead bodies were also reported in downtown Harrisburg. The white pumpkin has also caused several car accidents in the downtown area, prompting a civil danger warning to be issued. If you see the white pumpkin, run away as fast as possible and dial 911. Please remain tuned.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles County Emergency Management. A law enforcement warning has been declared for Los Angeles, CA, due to the white pumpkin being spotted roaming around, attacking and killing anyone in downtown Los Angeles. Do not approach the suspect as he is considered armed and dangerous. In addition, the white pumpkin has also caused damage to buildings while using his powers. Do not approach the suspect. If you see the suspect, dial 911. Stay tuned for more information.
Hello everyone. I am David Rose, and it is currently 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This is KZRG News serving the city of Joplin, Missouri. We bring you this news about a suspect which is now known as the White Pumpkin. The White Pumpkin is a fictional character from a game called Minecraft Story Mode. This suspect is attacking and killing everyone in his way throughout the other states. These states include Delaware, Maine, New York, California, and Pennsylvania. However, Toronto, Ontario has also reported mass casualties from the White Pumpkin. Do not go near him as he is very armed and dangerous, and he also can cause damage by using his powers and psychic abilities. The White Pumpkin is also carrying an axe. However, Local authorities have not figured out the white pumpkin's real name as he is fast to capture. If you spot the suspect in your area, dial 911 for emergency use. We will be back for more shortly.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross.
Local authorities have issued an administrative message for all of Cook Isle. The white pumpkin has successfully captured a white pumpkin right before he escapes. This message will repeat in a few minutes.
All clear, repeating, all clear. This is the administrative message from the Chicago Police Department. The white pumpkin has been detained by Chicago Police Service. However, when the white pumpkin takes off his mask, it turns out, it was not a male, but a female with orange hair color and wearing glasses. The white pumpkin's name has been identified as Cassidy. Repeating, the white pumpkin has been detained by Chicago Police Department and it is no longer a threat to humanity. Normal program may now resume.